famous Rock of Gibraltar, where the famous Tariq bin Ziyad Rahmatullah Alayhi landed. At the corner, this famous mosque, Masjid Tariq is there, and that's where the hallmark for Masjid Tariq Minar is there, and all Gibraltar, a small rock. As soon as it's finished here, their airport is there, and that's it. And you can see the cloud right on top of that mountain. You can see around, and all around is the Gibraltar Bay, but all area belongs to Spain instead. All these sides, as you will see, refineries, whatnot, ships, etc., everything all over. But that's the all Spanish European Union area, with the exception of that Gibraltar. Very pleasant weather, only 16 degrees now actually, with wind chill is little, maybe not really wind chill affecting now, but anyway. So here it is Spain, Spanish flag, but that is Gibraltar, UK, occupied in 21st century still is there, because it is one of the most crucial places like Gwadar, Singapore, near Falkland. So Mediterranean they're controlling from here. Incredible. Thank you. All the best. This is June the 4th, 2025 for Italy.